Hi and welcome back to this channel where every morning at 5 a.m. there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament, the Word of God in the Jamaican language. My name is Courtney Stewart and I'll be reading today's passage. For information about me, please check the description box below. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today reading come from Philippians 1, 12 to 18. Hear me now, brother and sister. More if you understand, say all what happened to me will make the good news about Jesus spread more and more. Matter of fact, all of the special soldier them we guard the soldier camp, which part me there, and everybody else here knows me get locked up in a prison cause me a preach about Jesus Christ. And see how me in a prison, most of the brother and sister them get brave and I preach God word and not afraid no more. Some of them will preach God message bad mind for real. And them a look war with we. But some really preach God message out of one good heart. The one them will preach God message out of good heart, do it cause them love me. And them know say me there to turn up for the good news. The other one them preach. But them not really mean what them a say. Them a do it for the wrong reason. Them a do it cause them want me to have more trouble to deal with in a prison here. But what that to me? The only thing will really matter to me, I see the good news about Jesus Christ I preach, whether I do it for the right or the wrong reason. And cause it I preach, me happy. And me go and make myself happy. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.